Hi traders, Slama here from Nikos Trading Academy, and welcome in the video where I share my swing trading strategy results. Those trades I also analyze during my live trading room twice a week. So as you can see, we don't get much in terms of the profits. It's also because I missed some trades because I changed the apartment. So I am here and there. I cannot focus much, but this is only swing trading strategy. You have to keep in mind. You can also do day trading and scalping, but like I said, I want to share some strategy which it's very easy to follow if you have regular job. Because in terms of the day trading and scalping, you need to have more time, sit in front of the PC. And today I will also show you some trades which I took last week in terms of the day trading. So even if the swing is not going great, I mean that it's still only 1 month, one and a half, even 1 month, because I started to train in the middle of the January, so it's still okay. But if you are not satisfied with the results, you can always add another strategies. But of course, you need to have more experience and more time. And before I go to details, I would like to invite you to visit my one-on-one mentorship website. You will find the link below this video. This is the website where I, of course, teach you how to apply the old strategies. You will also get access to advanced trader program where I do my live trading room. And if you have any questions, you want to contact me, just fill your name, email, send message, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Below, of course, you will find more details about me, about my offer, and also example of a learning process, which is split to technical part, planning part, and also mindset part. And I pay a lot of focus on that because, in my opinion, this is the crucial part to achieve long-term success in trade. Okay, so let's go to those trades. As you remember or not, last time USDN was open, the new trade was using the CAD. USDN, unfortunately, I had this bad luck in this trade. No, there was the entry, first target, second target hit. Then, as you can see, I trail stop loss above the line, but price decided to spike a little bit on the line, and my stop loss was too close. I was kicked out, and price continued to push down. It's also making daily short 1 to 3, so there was no situation on the yens like we had before. That price, you see, after gaining momentum on the daily, it was just pushing up. Yes, pushing up. Also those down moves. Here we had classic move retracement. Okay, we were stopped out, but price is making another setup, so we can look for next opportunity. But I will of course cover forecast in separate video. So this is USDN and using the CAD trade after daily short 1 to 3, 4-hour chart 1 to 3, and first target was hit, second target was directly around the bottoms. So when price, you see, was going and started to push, trend line was going down, I trailed stop loss to break even because I saw double bottom. And as you can see, price broke it. I was stopped out, but it was a small profitable trade. I trail stop loss to break even because I always mark lowest point of the support, but we were already around the support. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches. Yeah, so basically we were here, so that's why double bottom. Okay, trail the stop loss if price decide to continue. Perfect. If not, this is the situation. Okay, so basically that's all about the swing trading. Not much, but market is building good opportunities. But I will cover this in the separate video. In this video, I also, like I promised, I want to show you some day trading entries. The first entry was taken on Euro Aussie. This was on the Renko because the Renkos are better to trade in terms of the day trading, because they might give you the setups which are not visible on the classic charts. So as you can see in the Euro Aussie, price made this small triple bottom or double bottom on the 1 hour chart. Then we had breakout. Yes, price created higher highs in this case, and we had this one. This was the setup on the Renko chart first after crossover. This is M6 Renko setting, so it's 6 pips per box. Entry stop loss, first target hit, second target hit. I trail stop loss based on the Renko, 36 EMA. I was here and then price kicked me out and still continue to push up. Here we had around 25 pips stop loss. So first target 25. 50, and also third lot it was around 50, so together it was around 125 pips in profits in this trade. We could get even more, but I decided to trail it below the 36 on the Renko chart. Here, Euro Yen, this you see the price was pushing down. There was momentum on the 1 hour chart. Price was making 1 2 3s. So we had classic approach with 1 2 3 here. Entry stop loss, again stop loss around 30 pips. Here, first target hit, second target hit, and then again I trail stop loss all on the 36 EMA on the Renkos. I was kicked out exactly like in the previous situation. I was kicked out by the pip, and then price continued to push. If you hold this, then your stop loss would be hit here. So again, you will get a little bit more profit. So in this case, also I was able to get around 100 pips in profits in this case. Euro Yen, second trade on the Euro Yen. Previously, trade was taken here. This trade was taken here in this retracement. Again, price failed to continue. We had breakout of the 12 EMA. Price showed the momentum entry a little bit. No, this was good entry here. 25 pips stop loss. First target, second target, and bonus lot stopped out here. So this brings around 75 pips of profits, this trade. And next one, GBPCAD. GBPCAD was, I missed the first one. The first one was here. I missed it. And I took it on the 1 hour chart we had already. You see, this was short 1 hour chart, 1 to 3. 4 hour chart, again, showing you momentum, price retrace. So I should have taken this around that, and this will be the first. But I missed this. I saw momentum, so I still decided to jump in because price was making still lower highs and lower lows. So entry was here. Spread was big in this broker, so entry a little bit late here also. So it was 30 pips stop loss. First target was hit. Second target I closed manually here because price reached this. Here was area of the support. So when price reached this, it was the whole move happened during night. So when I wake up, I saw that price is struggling here, so I decided to close this target and trail stop loss to break even, to just log the profit, save the trade, and then price went down and it would hit second target. So if I wouldn't close it, I would get more. Here we have tiny profits. It's around 40 pips on this this trade. And the last one, GBPN trade, it was in this retracement. It's not the last one. We'll have another one. So again, the same like on the Euro Yen, that price stopped here, momentum happened. We had this move, entry here, stop loss above. Almost, it almost kicked me out. First target, second target, stop loss was again 25 pips, and the bonus lot was out here. So again, 75 profits, 75 pips in profits in this trade in general. And then the last one, also on the GPN here. This is the trade. Previous one was here, as you can see. So this was idea to look for possible continuation because price was creating nice momentum candle. So we had this was the line, trend line breakout, small range. Also on the Renko chart, as you can see, the line was broken. We have this wedge. Unfortunately, I missed this trade. I didn't take it there when it should be taken on the first candle. I took it here, but and the stop loss was here 30 pips, and was no, it was 25. Sorry, 20, 25. So it was here, not below zero point 0.3. But the momentum was quite interesting, so that's why I didn't place it exactly here, but a little bit higher. First target was hit, and then there was no chance to manage this pair. Price immediately retraced, hit my stop loss. So it was losing trade, but not fully losing trade. I lost here. How much? Minus 25 pips on this. Yes, because first target was hit. And then we have two losing trades. So this is how it is. So as you can see, those are examples. Yes, if we have momentum, definitely you can trade even late entries with this whole moves. But to catch those trades, you really need to be in front of the charts. It's not that you can do something different and then check the charts. Usually, you really have to focus to follow, especially with the Renkos, because Renkos are not. Giving you never know when the candle close. Of course, we have alarms, we have EAs, which are also very easy to use, because even our EA can trade for you, but of course you need to prepare your charts to do it. So it's doable, but like you said, I prefer to share the trades from the swing trading, which can basically everyone can do it, because it's not time consuming strategy, and it's better to gain, in my opinion, first slow experience in that. And if you are good at this, then, and you have very confidence in the swing trading, because it's very relaxed way of trading, then you can go to the day trading and scalping, because no, as you can see, charts are moving the same, but it's always a little bit choppy. If I look, for example, for the GBPN, you see when you start to take prices going up, down, it's making 1 2 3s basically everywhere. But I hope you see the difference between charts on the higher time frames, when you clearly see on the 4-hour chart that those moves are not making so fast. Yes, what I'm showing you here, those moves can happen in the 1 hour, 5 minute, 2 hours. So you never know. So that's why keep in mind that it's always better to start slowly, be good in the one strategy, move forward step by step without pressure to make money fast in trading, because this is what is holding us back, really, to make long-term profits in trading. And then if you are good at one thing, start to add slowly other things. Okay. So guys, that's all about the results. Of course, I will prepare a forecast too, because we might get some nice opportunities. And again, I would like to invite you to visit my one-on-one mentorship program. Link to this site is below the video. Feel free to contact me, send me your name, email, and I will get back to you, and we can schedule a free call, so we can discuss all your trading issues, and we will see together if I can help you somehow. Basically, my mentoring is split to three major parts: technical part, planning part, and also mindset part. If you sign up, you will get access to the advanced trader program, where you will learn first all strategies online. So you'll get like a first basic preparation, and then we start our mentoring plan. So you will have already basic information about all the strategies, and then of course we will choose in which direction we go together. I always start first from the mindset part, our sessions, because then you have more time to practice simple and proven technique, which I want to share with you. And then, of course, we go to the technical part and then planning part, so you can start to trade on your own. And below, you also have some videos where I explain more about the whole process. And if you, of course, are interested about the strategy which I use, you can download the free PDF file, and this is exactly same approach which I'm showing you in this Excel file. Okay, so guys, thanks a lot. Wish you all great Saturday, and we hear soon. Bye.